it is all take it up and it have to be heated. Now it's heated. Now we can add 7 glasses of coconut water. Now we can add 1 cup of sugar. Mix it well. Friends, I take here another pan. Now we can add 8 grams of China grass. Add 1 cup of water. We need to melt our China grass completely. All details given in the description box. Melt our China grass completely. Friends, our China grass is melted completely. Friends, now we can add our melted China grass into our coconut water. Now we can mix it well. Friends, when it will be a little thick, off the flame and let it cool it for 10 minutes. Now we can off the flame. Friends, 10 minutes is over. Now we can pour our pudding mix into our pudding tray. Friends, we need to refrigerate it for at least 4 hours. Friends, now our 4-hour is over. Our glass pudding is ready. Now we can make our next layer to our glass pudding. So I take here a jar. Now we can add 1 cup of condensed milk. Now we can add 1 cup of coconut milk. Now we can blend it. Friends, now we can cut our glass pudding. Now we can pour our mix into it. Now our glass pudding is ready. Now we can serve it into a bowl. try this recipe and enjoy with your family. If you like my video, subscribe, like, share and just press the bell button. Bye bye. This is Minshas from Minshas World. It is